Hey, Coach Black Elf wants you to practice throwing and catching. How are we going to do that with socks? I guess we could just throw them up in the air and try to catch them before they fall. That's just kind of hard, not very much fun. So we're going to turn our socks into a ball. If you have a ball, go ahead and use that. But what we do is we put the socks together with the holes at the top, and we take one of the socks and fold it over the other one, making one giant sock as we roll and roll and roll the sock. There we go. Oh, get it all in there. Now, is it going to look perfect? Maybe not, but maybe that'll help you throw and catch better. So the first thing you want to practice, maybe just practice putting the sock ball in one hand and then switching to the other. If that's easy, try around the back. Around the back. These are some activities that you would also do if you had a basketball. I'm going to get a little trickier and fancier and go under my leg. So many things you can do with a sock ball. Move on. Let's go to throwing and catching. We're going to toss it up and catch. Make sure you use two hands at first. Watch the sock as it goes up in the air and watch your hands catch it. Let's try to do it 10 times at your own pace, of course. So I'm going to let you go while you practice throwing and catching your sock ball. If you're really good, you might just use one hand, or you could toss from one hand to the other. You're going to choose the way you like to do it best. We're back. We're a couple more tricks with our sock ball. This is going to get a little harder. Let's try tossing the sock ball up, clapping, and then catching it. Throw, clap, catch. Throw, clap, catch. Throw, clap, catch. If that seems to be difficult, go back to just throwing and catching. Try that. I know you guys like bowling. So we're going to use an empty water bottle or some plastic cup, something that won't break, and our sock ball, and we're going to practice bowling to knock it down. Remember that you want to swing your arm like the pendulum of a clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock. So you could practice that tick tock motion. And I'm going to show you what it looks like as I bowl to knock over my water bottle. Here I go. Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to get down low. I'm going to step with the opposite foot, and I'm going to swing my arm, tick, tock. And when I let go, I am going to point to the water bottle, and that's going to help me aim and knock it down. At least I hope. Let's see. Tick, tock. I did it! Yay! Now you try. I want to try throwing at 3 cups. I have 3 plastic cups that won't break when they get hit. Make sure you get permission before you start throwing at things in your house or in your classroom. So we're going to put the cups down in any way you want. I like to make a little tower. And I'm going to try an underhand toss first, kind of like what we were doing when we were bowling. But this time, instead of rolling it on the floor, you've got to toss it in the air to try to knock down the cups. Here I go. Remember, opposite foot in front. I'm using my left arm, so my right foot is out in front. Here I go. Tick, tock, toss. Hey, 2 out of 3 isn't bad. Yay! I'm going to pick these up because we're going to practice again. This time we're going to do our overhand throw. That has a tendency to go a little farther, so I'm going to move back a little bit so I have more space to throw. When you do your overhand throw, you're going to start with the object by your ear, step with the opposite foot, you're sideways to your target, and I like to point to my target. And then you twist and throw. So let's see how that works out for me. I'm going to try it. I'm going to hold it up, standing sideways to my target, holding my softball to my ear. I'm going to step and throw. Yay, I got all of them down. So much power in the overhand throw.